So welcome to lesson number 3 of the beginner series. In this lesson we are going to learn two new notes, and that is F and G. So far we learned C, D, E, and now we are going to do middle F and middle G. Let's look how to find F note on the piano. When you look at the piano, you see 3 black keys, just like a cricket stump, right? A cricket stump has three stumps, right? When the batsman is batting, behind him has 3 stumps. So let's say this is stump number 1, stump number 2, and this is stump number 3. Now, the first stump, F for first, you can remember. So you go down to the white key, that is F, as F key. Very easy to remember. Find another 3 black keys, 3 stumps right here. This is the first stump. Go down, that's F. So that way you can find F anywhere on the piano key. All right, so if this is F, then this would be G. Okay, now let's look at how does it appear on the grand staff. Well, the F note appears on the first space of the treble clef. Notice the treble clef is made up of 5 lines. The bottom line is called line number 1, then line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, and you have line number 5. Now, between the lines, you have spaces, and treble clef has 4 spaces. That is space number 1, space number 2, space number 3, and space number 4. F sits in space number 1, and G sits just above the letter F. It's on the second line of the treble clef. Remember, the first line was for E, the second line is for G. All right, so that's very easy to recognize. Let's play a piece called Aurali. In this piece, we have C, D, E, F, and G. It uses all the 5 keys that we just talked about. So let's play, counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One important thing to remember: finger number 4 and finger number 5 are the weakest finger. So what we're going to do is, when we play F, we are not going to flatten or play with the finger. It's going to be very difficult. So what we have to do is we play with our arm, and the finger is just an extension of our arm. So we go, and the G note we will play, because when you play with the finger, it's going to be very difficult and you can damage your finger as well. So make sure that you use fluency and fluidity when you're playing the piano. It doesn't have to be rigid, it has to be very graceful. One more time, okay, this time without counting. Four. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.